Introducing the 2019 Seat. Leon 1.0 Ti 115 horsepower, SE. This stunning red estate vehicle is packed with features to ensure a comfortable and safe driving experience. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. And with its sleek design and roof rails, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Plus, rest assured knowing that this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can drive away in this amazing Seat Leon.